everyone, Cloudfather here. Well, I've had a good day today. Got some nice trees done on cedar shingles. Another Thunderbird. Basically a set of rednecks, just like next door. And we're finally getting started on parts for the laser. So these fit on the bottom. I'm just in the process now of getting it covered so that the blast shield is intact, and that's what it's going to be doing in here. As far as lasering today, we've done a lot of cedar. Got a new piece of Native American art, and we'll see in about an hour when that gets done. Well, how about that? We now have a bottom filter shield for the X70 laser. So that's going to be the prototype. Tomorrow we'll fit that up. These were the earlier tries. Learned a little something each pass we made. Got most of the bugs worked out of the 3D printer. Discovered I had a loose head or extruder nozzle. Once I fixed that, everything's been actually running pretty good. We still got about another 30 minutes. Yeah, this two-pass graphics is really doing a nice job for the Native American art. So that's all for today.